This is an introduction to the eCBS EPCON data collection tool for use in chess camps in the field, currently being conducted by Mercy Corps and associated partners. The purpose of this video is to orient the viewer to the basic concepts behind the application, namely describing when to use the offline mode and when to use the online mode for screening in current Mercy Corps chess camps. A brief introduction to each component of the tool will be provided, and future videos will go into much more depth on each topic. The future videos will include program creation, event creation, users, specifically for administrators, and we'll go into significant depth in talking about screening. So please click on the following videos for an in-depth understanding on each of those components. When the data is entered in the training tool, it then plots into the Grafana digital dashboard, where you can see the important indicators that both offer helpful insight for monitoring and evaluation purposes, as well as for steering activities to regional hotspots. Here we can visualize indicators like the TB cascade of care, number needed to screen in the community, and aggregated screening totals. Filters on the top of the screen allow us to disaggregate data according to geographic location, age, gender, and different time periods that can both be selected and customized. Tables can be visualized, reordered, and extracted as CSV files for further data interpretation and analysis. Finally, geospatial hotspot predictions and map visualizations offer the potential for helping to steer programmatic screening activities. We can visualize both where numerous cases have been found and demonstrated by a low number needed to screen, or B positivity in all forms TB, as well as through geospatial model predictions on where likely hotspots could be based upon numerous variables and previously observed data. The Geoportal is a geospatial tool and useful platform for visualizing the programmatic screening data as well as model predictions. The Geoportal helps to inform decisions based upon being able to identify contiguous clusters of TB hotspots or visualizing areas of high existing or predicted prevalence near the existing programmatic activity. A chloropleth map overlaying all administrative districts in the country help program leaders to zoom in on areas that have either been demonstrated to have high prevalence of TB, as seen in this instance, or areas that the geospatial prediction model has made estimates of a high burden of TB. This can be particularly useful when looking into areas where minimal screening has occurred in the past. Areas identified by previous screening results can be examined in better to understand important indicators like numbers needed to screen and B positivity rates that may warrant the need for further screening within that geographic boundary.